Hello friends, in this episode we will know about how to use a hair crimper. Hair crimpers are styling tools with zigzag plates that add textured waves to your hair. You can use a crimper to create a unique all over style or to add volume to your hair. Try playing around with tight, uniform waves and large tousled waves to create different looks. If you plan to crimp your hair often, consider investing in a crimper with ceramic plates, since ceramic will cause the least amount of heat damage. Before crimping your hair, you need to know about some important tips, and the first tips is wash and dry your hair. Crimping will work best on clean hair. Wash your hair with a volumizing shampoo and conditioner. Allow hair to air dry or blow dry it completely, as your hair crimper won't work on wet hair. Using a heated crimping iron on wet hair could cause damage to your follicles. And the second thing, apply a styling product to your hair. If you are prone to frizzy hair, apply a dime sized amount of anti frizzing serum. Next, mist a volumizing styling spray all over your hair. Friends, this serum and spray you can find it in any nearby shop. This is available, easily available. Your hair will hold a crimp longer if it has a thickening product in it. Blast your hair with a blow dryer for several seconds to lock the product onto it. To protect your hair from heat damage, consider applying a moisturizing product like argan oil to the ends of it. Applying a heat protectant spray all over your hair is another styling option. And the third important tip is plug in the hair crimper and allow it to heat up. Find an outlet near a mirror to plug in your hair crimper, possibly in your bathroom or anywhere in bedroom. Select the medium heat setting, which will crimp your hair effectively without burning your scalp, allowing it to warm up for 3 to 5 minutes before using it. Note that the higher the heat setting, the more effective the styling will be. However, high heat setting also cause more damage to your hair. Finding the amount of heat needed for your hair type can take some trial and error over multiple uses. And fourth important tip is crimp hair in 1 inch means 2.5 cm or 2 inches 5.1 cm sections for 3-5 seconds each. Grab a section of hair at the bottom with your non-dominant hand and gently clamp down the crimper using your other hand. Starting at the roots, get as close to your scalp as possible without burning it. Hold down for 3 to 5 seconds and then release the clamp. If you have long or thick hair, it might be easier to work in quadrants. Part your hair down like I am parting before crimping. Part your hair down the middle from your forehead to your neck to create two sections. Part it again around the neck of your head from ear to ear to create four sections. Use clips to clip up the hair and aren't currently working with and keep it out of the way. And next tip is continue crimping down the length of your hair for a uniform look. Side the tool down the length of your hair and clamp down on the next section. Overlap the barrel of the crimper over the last kink you made. This will prevent any gaps in your webs. Continue until the entire section is crimped. And the sixth tip is crimp hair in a sporadic pattern for a more natural look. To get a more casual look, apply the crimper sparingly to different sections of your hair. Uncrimped. After you are done, tousle your hair for a carefree beach style. And a very important tip is select a crimper with adjustable temperature settings. Thin hair should be crimped at a lower temperature than thick hair to prevent damage, so try to avoid buying a crimper with just one temperature setting. Go with a model with adjustable temperature settings and multiple temperature options to choose from. Many heat styling tools mention the temperature range or a maximum temperature on the packaging. Some models offer an automatic turn off feature. Selecting a crimper based on how large you want your waves to be. Crimpers are available with a range of different sized barrels. Choose a crimper with a large wide barrel and deep grooves if you want big soft waves. Choose a hair crimper with a small barrel and narrow grooves if you want a small tight waves. Shop for a hair crimper in salons, beauty supply stores, department store or online. How long do you hold a crimper on your hair? Depends on this depends on your particular iron, but 10-20 seconds is usually about right. If you can't achieve a crimp in that time, your iron may not be hot enough. If that's too long, it's probably too hot for your hair. Most common queries in our mind: what does a crimper do to your hair? A crimper presses a section of hair between two heated plates, leaving behind a zigzag shape. This creates a crimped effect. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. For more videos, press notification bell. Thank you friends.